It's a really weird thing that there's this new trendy myth that people who want free speech want it to say awful things all the time. This just isn't true. It protects everyone. But the two catastrophic problems with the term hate speech is, one, what constitutes hate speech? Everyone disagrees. There is no consensus on what hate speech is, right? And two, who decides? And there's the real rub, because obviously the people who think they want to close down free speech because it's bad are the fascists. It's a really weird, mixed-up idea that these people hide behind the shield of goodness. We're good. We're social justice. We're doing this for good, and what we say goes. And they don't realise how corrupt and wrong that is. It is mob rule, and I think that's what would compromise the comedy. Not that some people wouldn't love it and get it. It's that the people in charge would be bullied. Let's not forget, there are loads of caveats to free speech already, but I agree with all of them. Libel, slander, watersheds, protection of children's rights, food additives, all these things are already in place. What's not in place and what's never should be in place is that you mustn't say something that someone somewhere might find offensive, because someone somewhere will find everything offensive. And as I've said so many times, just because you're offended, it doesn't mean you're right. And now I don't want to be lumped in with those celebrities who lecture people, who think they're above everything just because they've got a platform. I mean, it really works both ways. And the worry now is social media amplifies everything. If you're mildly left wing on Twitter, you're suddenly Trotsky, right? Right. And if you're mildly conservative, you're Hitler.
You're a Nazi.
And if you're centrist and you look at both arguments, you're a coward.